This is from the company COOSOLUX, maybe how you would say that, COOSOLUX. And you know what? I just got it in, and all I did was just kind of like open it up and look at it, and this thing is awesome. Trust me, look at this bag. It all comes contained right here in this one bag. And if you're like me and you do a lot of camping, or you just need like an outdoor work light or something, I'll recommend this. So let me just show you exactly what you get with this. Number one, this is a good quality bag. Look at those metal zippers right there. So you get like a tripod kind of base that looks like this. I will set this up and show you how that works. So you get a little set of instructions there. And just kind of like going over the instructions, kind of shows you everything you get with this thing and how it works. Look at the size of this thing, everybody. This looks awesome. I can't wait to see this at night. There's the bag. So the bag's actually designed for the light. And then you get this little kit right here. So this little kit's going to give you some anchors to anchor it in the ground, some straps, and a USB-C cable there. So what you can do, there's a few ways of charging this. USB-C, actually you see that it's already getting green because this solar panel's pulling in right now. So let me set that aside for now and go over some of the specs of this thing. 6500K to 510K. Charging time's about 7 hours. Solar panel, it takes about 24 hours. So that's type C. It comes in 3. And then here's the lumens of it. So it's a 380 is the low, 700 is the medium, and 3000 is the high. After 3 minutes, it drops down to 1500. It's a 26 watt power. So does it say the main lamp? It's a 5,200 milliamp battery that's inside of this thing, which is a pretty big battery for that. They're talking about the whole lamp. There is a detachable side lamp. That is really cool. Let me show you this little, which is a 1,400 lumina detachable light. Let me show you the mode. So the mode's a short press. I will go over those molds at night. So look at this, everybody. So number one, you see we got an input there, and this is all waterproof. So you can adjust it right there. But this is one of the features right here. Watch this. Is this not awesome? A light within a light. And once again, it has its own charge port. It has a charge port, but it also has a USB-A coming out. So a 5 volt coming out to charge a cell phone or something like that. And then check this thing out. See if I can get it. I just trimmed my fingernails, so I don't have good fingernails to get things out. Had to get a little stick to get that out. I just trimmed all my fingernails so I don't have them. And then looking at this, you have some little like attachments there for attaching it to something if you want to screw it down. But these are like little magnetic things right here, and this can be like a camping light to hook up and hold onto a tent or something like that. That's pretty cool that you get 2 lights in one. And then to turn that on, you just, well, I'm not gonna, I'll wait till the night and then I'll turn it all on. And then so locking this back down, and check this out how it just kind of, so there's an S and an N, and you're just going to line it right up like that. See the N? Look how that locks right into place, because this is charging it right now. Let me go ahead and set this thing up on the tripod, and let's see what that looks like. Okay, everybody, I just set the tripod up. Check up how this thing looks. So you've got an adjustment here where you can move it like how you want it. Say you want to put more tilt in it, you can put a little more tilt in it like that, and this is going to shine straight down. So I'm going to let this thing get charged all day long using the solar panel. But this is very simple. This just goes down and it locks into place there. You have an adjustment here for lowering and raising it. See how I can make it a little higher. Same way here. And then to do the base, look, I did use the stakes because there is a lot of wind out here. I can pull that off, and you see this little thing right here, this little strap, that's what these things go to. You turn this around like that. Is this not cool? And then look, that screws in like that, and it can be used as a light. And that's a metal buckle. Very high quality. This thing does not feel like cheap at all. This thing feels extremely premium as far as overall feel of it. It is the weekend, and I like to camp out back here, and I'm going to let this charge, and we'll see what it looks like tonight when it's fully charged. So let's do that now. Okay, here it is. It's nighttime, everybody. I don't know if you can see the light here. So here's the actual light. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let me find the button back here. Hold down the button. There it is. That is on the low setting, and you can see how I'm set out here. That looks awesome. That thing actually has a lot of power to it. So let's go ahead and turn it to the medium. That would be that medium setting. You can see how much illuminates it goes out. This is one of the brightest kind of camping lights I have ever seen. Let me just walk over here and then look back. I love this setup. This would be great for like any type of campsite, work site. So if I'm working on a project or something, it'd work really well out here. And actually, it's still not even on high. There it is. That's the highest settings. Look how bright that thing is. That's impressive. That's such a nice setup, the way that works right there. Let me walk back some and look how it illuminates the entire little camping area here. And then here's the second feature of this. So you see this? So let's say I just want to like, what's this? I can walk up. This is a light in and of itself. So check it out. I can walk back here, walk around. Let's turn this off and let's just see how bright the actual light is itself. Hold down the button and check it out. So I hold that down. That's the low setting. There's medium and there's high. And then the third one turns it into a little flashlight. That is a flashlight in the center here. So now I could be walking just like I would a normal flashlight. And it has these hooks on the back, so you can use the strap and then strap it down. And it shows, you can see the little things right there. And it'll just mount. It's magnetic. It locks right back into place. And then check it out. Hold down the button. There you go. It's all back to normal. That's all I got today, everybody, for the COOSOLUX camping/work light. See you on the next video.